We are back again with another dish. So this one is burnt chili garlic noodle. So let's have a discussion about this.
So now we'll be preparing burnt chili garlic noodles, and the noodles, it's Hakka noodles. So first thing, for the preparation of Hakka noodles, we need to prepare the noodles first of all. So for that, we need to boil the noodles, and we have to put little bit of salt and oil at the time of boiling the Hakka noodles. So after the noodles is done, just keep it aside. Next thing comes the vegetables. In Hakka noodles, we need to add capsicum, which needs to be the shape of the vegetable. It needs to be julienne cuts. Julienne means thin strip cuts, long cuts. And the next thing will be the onions, then cabbage, and we need little bit of green chilies for that. So for the preparation, we'll take a pan, we'll heat some oil. On that oil, we'll give little bit of ginger and little bit of garlic to it, and the chilies if you like. And for the chili garlic noodles, we need to prepare a paste that is made out of our red chili, dry red chilies, little bit of garlic dash over there, and we need to blend it. So we'll get a paste out of that. So that red chili paste we need to fry it beforehand. After frying, we'll just add the different vegetables we have cut previously. We'll toast the vegetables, and lastly we'll put the noodles over there. And we need to toast. But before finishing up, we need to add little bit of vinegar to that. That's all.
So sir, tell me like how it's different from other noodles.
Okay, so as the name suggests, it's Hakka. So Hakka is actually a tribe, or actually it's a tribe. So they have their specific way of living, specific traditions, specific food habits. So as you all know, like the normal chow mein that we have, those are like little bit bigger in shape,
Yeah,
little
exactly.
bigger in shape. But yes, Hakka noodles, they are quite thinner, and it's very light. So today I have prepared burnt garlic chili garlic noodles actually. So the main thing here, it's the color is, as you can see, the color, it's quite reddish in color.
Yeah, that even I can.
Yes.
See,
So
yeah.
for that, actually we have added for the extra spice, we have added our red whole chili.
Okay.
So we have blanched our red whole chili. Just we have taken a little bit of hot water.
Okay.
We have put the red chilies over there,
Okay.
and we have made a paste out of that. So that paste we have cooked with our noodles. That's it.
Okay, that's really amazing. And like when we cook noodles, I often see like people they like overcook it. So
Yes.
is there any time limit like when we cook the like noodles?
Nowadays it's like for noodles, no, there is no that I can't say you a specific timing for that. Okay, so it's only about the skills or the time you give for the preparation. But yes, to make a good noodle or to boil best noodles, we need to add little bit of salt and little bit of oil in it.
Salt and oil.
Salt and oil, and the water, it needs to be boiling hot before we add the noodles over there.
All right. So that's Guys, you can see it's a really very nice tip. So if you are like cooking noodles and it is sticking in your pan, you should use this tip. It will really help you out. Yeah. So like, sir, as we can see in India, like as you're using like bell peppers.
Yes.
I've seen people using cabbage,
Yes.
carrots, and non. What are the like? Can you make fusion of other vegetables as well if you're cooking noodles?
Yes, yes. So to say, while we are preparing any kind of noodles, make sure the ratio of vegetables is little bit more.
Alright.
If you are putting two, like 1:2, if 2 is our noodles, then one part we need to add vegetables.
Alright.
It actually enhances the dishes.
That taste of the
Yes.
dish. Yeah. So that's really some good tips you can use. So yeah, we'll be back again with another dish. Till then, bye bye.